Some heartbreaking news came in from Telangana where a 19-year-old girl, Aishwarya Reddy, studying BSc Mathematics Honours in the reputed Lady Shri Ram College in Delhi, died by suicide on the 2nd of November. And the reason to suicide that she left behind on her suicide note is that of financial difficulties. As per Aishwarya's family, Aishwarya was a really bright student. She wanted to become an IAS officer. In fact, right after the lockdown was announced in March, Aishwarya came down to her hometown in Telangana and she understood the financial situation of her family and did not want to become a burden to her family. Aishwarya was a class 12 examination topper and she got into the Delhi college only based on merit. In fact, she was also a recipient of the government's Inspire scholarship offered by the Ministry of Science and Technology, and reportedly the Department of Science and Technology had already informed Aishwarya in August itself this year that she had been provisionally selected for Inspire scholarship and was asked to complete the documentation before the end of this year. Now, to give you a quick glimpse into Aishwarya's family background, Aishwarya came from a very poor family where her father was an auto mechanic, her mother is a tailor, and she also has a sister, but the sister dropped out of school because the family couldn't afford her education. In fact, Aishwarya's father also said that he had taken a loan of 2 lakh rupees after mortgaging their home and pledged gold ornaments for her higher education, which eventually added to the family's financial crisis. Now, what led to Aishwarya's suicide? Now, we know during the pandemic, several universities shifted to online classes and many students were forced to get laptops to attend these online classes. Aishwarya did not have a laptop. She attended those classes through her mobile phone. And also Aishwarya's mother then claimed that Aishwarya was quite depressed that she was asked to vacate her hostel in Delhi by October end, and at a time when she was trying desperately to get a laptop for her online studies. And after her request, she was then allowed by her college to vacate the college hostel room by November 7th. But yet, her family says that Aishwarya was quite upset. But nonetheless, she still was upbeat. She even decided that she wanted to visit Delhi in the middle. Now, what's really heart-wrenching is that Aishwarya Reddy also wrote an email to actor Sonu Sood. After hearing about his philanthropic ways, she wrote an email to him hoping for some financial assistance. Well, the 19-year-old girl's death by suicide has clearly triggered quite some outrage among the student community. Now, several students have been demanding justice for Aishwarya Reddy. In fact, the Students' Federation of India, the SFI, Ranga Reddy District President D. Prashant has attacked the BJP-led NDA government at the centre for not distributing any national fellowships for the last 6 months owing to this pandemic. Now, remember, if you are going through troubled times, you can seek help. The government has launched several helpline numbers to take you through it. The HRD ministry has launched the Manodarpan initiative in July itself this year to provide psychological support and counselling to students for their mental health and well-being. Now, under this initiative, the minister has also launched a toll-free national helpline number. I'm going to read it out to you. 844-844-0632. There's also a website called Manodarpan and a handbook on 21st century life skills for students of all schools, colleges, universities, anyone that needs help. In fact, the Union Social Justice and Empowerment Ministry has also launched a 24/7 toll-free helpline number to provide support to people facing anxiety, stress, depression, suicidal thoughts and other mental health concerns. The mental health rehabilitation helpline here called Kiran can be called from a landline or mobile phones across the country, and I'm going to read out this number as well, 1800-599-0019. So if you or anyone you know is suffering, do not hesitate to seek help.